That's why I love rich men. Rich men, if they want snore, then they snore, call what it their account. You hear something like this. 1 million. 2 million. 3 million. Now so big men they snore. Poor men. Very useless people. Now only poor man they snore, they drive like him bedside. My auntie, very useless. My auntie, every 5 minutes, this snore they come. 5 minutes, you don't hear. I carry one pillow, cover my ear. This snore increase. The thing pay me. I say, I go my mama house. My sister, my ma snore they come like generator where don't spoil. My mom they come like this. Now only my mama they snore.